What's up again? Part 3 for Sunday dinner. And guess what I'm going to be making? Macaroni and cheese. Homemade, made specially by Lady J. So get ready, guys. Stay tuned because we're about to throw down some more. Alright, so we already have our macaroni prep. This is basically like a half a box of the family pack of the Barilla elbow. I'm going to make sure I put the recipe down in the description, so make sure you look out for that. Okay, so what we're going to do in order to mix this properly and to get a little moisture added to this, we're just going to add just a little bit of milk. Now, just to, go ahead and wet the bottom of it. And see how easy that is? As far as stirring. We don't need a lot of milk. Because the only thing that we want to do is melt all of this cheese. Okay? Right, let's go ahead and add our butter.
I just cheese. I can't eat cheese. What's it so bad? Cheese.
And the butter will melt in the baking process, so you don't have to worry about it melting now. I'm just going to stir it around each corner and basically in the middle. Alright. Okay, let's go ahead and add the cheese. It's not finished yet. What chance? Go back in there. Hey. Alright. You don't have to add it, put it all up like that. Okay. We're just going to add just a little bit more milk at the bottom and some more cheese. Because I don't know about you all, but I like my macaroni and cheese cheesy. So we're just going to add just a little bit more milk. Not that much, but okay, that's good. Just so we can make sure that the bottom doesn't burn. And which it won't, because basically, like I said before, it's just basically going to be cheesy. And then as it bakes, I'm going to stir it all together to incorporate the cheese, all of the cheese, and on top of that, the appearance of it. Okay? Now we're not going to take this out of the oven until it's nice and golden brown up top. Make sure everything's covered. Sorry about that, guys. I have a huge family, so I have to make sure that we all get fed this macaroni and cheese. So it's a lot of macaroni and cheese, but it's all good. So we don't miss any. Okay? And now, what we're going to do next, sprinkle just a tad bit of parsley. And then we're going to add a little bit more once it gets finished. And we're not going to cover this up with aluminum foil or anything like that, because we want the top of it to get brown. time for it to go in the oven. Then we're going to put this at the lowest setting, or the lowest rack, so that it could cook at a good amount of time, and so that it wouldn't cook too long. We're just going to cook it fast, so that's why I'm putting it at the lowest rack. Alright, so stay tuned for the finished result. Time to tend to this baby. Okay, so right now, guys, I just pulled it out of the oven. And I'm going to add just a little bit more cheese for the final baking process. Just a little bit more cheese up top.
Oh.
Gonna add it all around the side. And this right here is the last stage of the baked macaroni and cheese. So we're not even gonna disturb it. We're just gonna let it cook, get brown up top, and then once it's finished and done, that's when we'll dig in. We're gonna use all of this. So we're gonna use all of this bad boy. Okay. Alright. And like I said, we're not even gonna put any aluminum foil up there. Just gonna put it in the oven. So once it's finished, guys, wait for the finished product. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But you're gonna see the finished product of this macaroni and cheese. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, voila, guys, the macaroni and cheese is now finished. So let's test it out, see what the finished product is. Yum. Let's try it out. Absolutely outstanding. It's hot, you guys. But this macaroni and cheese right here is the bomb. It turned out perfect. And like I said before, the recipe is going to be at the description, at the bottom of the video. So make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you, guys, and peace.